guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be sitting down and sharing with you guys another small business unboxing. This will be part of my small business series over here on my channel. I love sharing small businesses with you guys, especially since I have one and I know how much work goes into marketing and making all of these pieces. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Today's video is all about MELL'S trinkets. I will have her website and all of her social medias linked down below, so be sure to check her out because Mel and I have been friends over on Instagram for a while now, and she is by far the nicest girl I've ever talked to. She is so talented, and she sent me a package last year, which I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out, and I pulled out the pieces because they're stunning. I like to keep them on the packaging, except one of these has a Lacey Lurch back on it, so I'm really sorry, but she has the cutest packaging. And she sent me her Valentine's Day collection last year because you guys know how much I love pink. I don't know if it's that noticeable or not. And she was like, I think this will be right up your alley, and I love styling it. So these are one of my favorite pairs of earrings that I've ever got. These are from her. She made these. I think they're like clay, and I'm pretty sure she like rolled it out and pressed that little design on and did all the metal work. They have really nice quality backs, and how cute is her packaging from last year? I'm obsessed. And then she also made these bigger hoops, and these are like Lily Pulitzer inspired. They have like this super cute little tassel going on with a heart. I just love it. So if you guys are Lily lovers, be sure to check out her site as well, because I believe she has a Lily section as well. And then this is one of my favorite pairs as well. Again, this is from a different pair of earrings, but they're like the little light pink hearts with little white crystals, and I think her pieces are just so stunning. I'm not sure if any of these pieces are still available. Again, check out her site, but these are from her last collection. I have no idea what she sent me, so we're gonna open this up. And her packaging, I sliced it open because I always am so serious. I am horrible at opening these, so I try to do it off camera, but I haven't got any further than this. But she has like one of these little clay presses, and it says love in here, and you guys know how much I love pink and red. So we're gonna open this up. I think she started to do a little bit more than just earrings on her site, so if you guys don't have your ears pierced, I think she has a few necklaces and maybe bracelets. So again, be sure to check her out. It's all linked down below, but we're gonna open this up. So it starts off with this beautiful packaging, and oh, I like want to keep this. Is that horrible? But like, it's just so pretty. I just want to like put it on my bulletin board or something. Okay, her packaging. So we have this little pair of earrings, which I'll take out of the bag in 1 minute. I love her little paper. I feel like Etsy sellers and small business owners always do the cutest packaging, so like, you're killing it, Mel. It looks so good. I love this stuff. Then we also have another pair of earrings, which I'll unbox, and then I think there's one more pair in here. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she sends all of her earrings in sets in these adorable little bags, and I love them. I feel like this is just like A1 packaging, and it has the cutest earrings inside. So we're just gonna open these up, and I figured why not try them all on. So I'll be taking my pearls out to put some earrings in. So this is the first pair, and I'm so excited. I saw these over on her Instagram, and I think she calls these the Huggies. So they're like little dangly earrings. They're like little hoops with little hearts floating in them. How cute are these? Back when I was in college, all my projects had like some sort of pink or hearts in them, and my professor was always like, only you could pull this off. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna try these on really quick, and I'm just gonna take my pearls out. We'll just do one ear at a time. And I love the backs of these. I don't know if I really noticed that, but they're super easy for earrings. I just painted my nails the other day with my gel polish that I got for Christmas, and I'm not sure if I love the shade of pink, which is weird because I love all shades of pink, so it's like so unlike me, but it's like a fuchsia. But anyways, this is what they look like. Aren't these so cute? Like, imagine going out on a date night with these, or just kind of out on the like date night, or kind of like a girls night, or just like even wearing these on the everyday. I just think they're so cute. Okay, these might be my favorite right now, but again, first pair that I tried on. I feel like these are going to be like all year round for me, because I feel like they could be perfect for Valentine's Day, but all the time. And then I tried on the next pair, which are these really beautiful heart earrings. I love this. I love how she's incorporated so much gold into all of this. So it says Be Mine XOXO, and again it just has really nice backs on them. I feel like it's always important. Sometimes like you'll get a pair of earrings and they don't have a nice backing, and then I feel like not comfortable wearing it. So we'll put these in again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I always freak out about her stuff. Okay, these are so cute. I honestly think this would look so cute with this top. Oh, fun. I'm curious, question of the day, are you guys a dangly earring or like stud? I personally really wear studs all the time because I'm so scared of pulling my the earring out, but I feel really comfortable. These are really light, which I feel like people talk about, but I never really understand. But they genuinely don't feel like I'm wearing dangly earrings at all. But how fun are those? I am obsessed with these. I love mixing red and pink together, which the next pair looks like it's gonna have a little bit more going on, because that's more of like a dark pink. Okay, and then the third pair that she sent me are these, and they're like little XO. I love pink and red together. So again, it has the same backing that the last pair did, just like the traditional earring backs. These are so cute, and I like how they have like a little metal ball rather than like a heart on this one. I just feel like it's fitting. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to come up with a perfect outfit for these, but you guys will see these in this week's OOTW. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Mel, you are seriously so talented. Again, you guys need to go check out her Instagram and her website, and be sure to order soon so that you can get them in time for Valentine's Day. But I feel like she just has great earrings all year round, so if you guys need some cute earrings for like the beach or something, be sure to check out Mel. Again, I will have her Instagram on the screen and everything linked down below in the description box. Be sure to check it out, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun small business haul. I am just so grateful to be able to share this stuff with you guys. You seriously are my best friends, and you guys, we reached 18,000 subscribers, so thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you guys are a small business looking to make it into one of my small business series, my email is always open. It's linked down below, but I also will be on Instagram. You can DM me. I love chit-chatting with you guys in general, so if you leave a comment. Okay, another question of the day. Which pair of earrings are your favorite? We'll make these ones, the little huggies. The 2-heart little Be Mine XOXO will be number 2, and then the red and pink XO will be number 3. Let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit-chat with you guys. But I will see you guys back here on Friday with my next new video. Bye guys.